Hello everybody, chat video and brand new video. In today's video we are unboxing the Elgato Stream Deck, and pretty much what the Elgato Stream Deck is essential for streamers, and let's just say it came out a long time ago. And also this intro is being re-recorded because I may have forgot to push record on my microphone. But anyways, so pretty much it's a little device that has 15 keys on it where you can push them in. Have different commands. I will show you that soon in the software. But yeah, it's essential for streamers, and I probably won't be using it for streaming that much. But yeah, so let's unbox it. So here's the quick start guide. It's pretty simple, just plug it in. Yeah, pretty easy stuff. So yeah, it's got 15 keys on it. It's pretty well made actually, and the USB cable, I forgot how long it is, but if I can find out I will say it on the screen. Yeah, so buttons are actually pretty quiet, and see, I think a problem that I would have thought would have happened with this, if you push like the top buttons, I thought it was gonna like fall over, but actually stays pretty well in place. And it's got multiple adjustable points, as you can see. There's actually even lower ones than that, because there's actually flaps at the top that can be put down as well. But yeah, there's heaps of adjustable points. And yeah, let's get straight into the software, I guess. Okay, so to set up the Elgato Stream Deck, the first thing you want to do is, download this software. So you want to go to elgato.com, go to downloads, and click on Windows or Mac, and Stream Deck for Windows. Boom, that easy. Okay, so this is what it looks like when you first open the software. So this actually supports, I believe it's Twitter, OBS, Twitch, YouTube, XSplit, and Mixer. I think there's a few others, but I use OBS. So say we want to change scene, so we can put on any one of these. We'll put it top left, should come up on the Stream Deck. Yep. So say we will do put my logo top right, let's just put that. So this is one of my scenes in OBS itself, which is put my logo, which when I do like game recordings, I can have the logo in different spots. So now that should switch it automatically, and we can also have record. Could have record. Yeah, so you can record, you can do heaps of things. So if you had Streamlabs, you could use all of these. Streamlabs OBS. But yeah, so, and we can also have like a stream, so you can like, so I'm gonna start streaming. And yeah, so you can have all these stuff. You could also have folders and folders, I believe. Wait, hold up. Yeah, create folder. So say you wanted the folder to be recorded, so when you like your recording, or okay, one where it's like you're streaming. Yeah, so there's like heaps of things you can actually do with this. It's updated in real time as well, as you can see. Okay, after a little while, I've got my setup for now. So I've got general, which leads into to mute myself on Discord, to open Discord. So this is like the general, just be like just chilling out. iTunes, pause, play, and mute. Notes for like, yeah, notes obviously. This is a website where you get like emojis, which I like to put in the description. The YouTube feed, like the subscriptions, gaming, tech. Then I've got After Effects, Premiere Pro, Photo, and Photoshop. And then I've got recording. I've got record, mute myself, mute others, and mute game, because on OBS, sorry. So I've got desktop audio, which is obviously like the game, and then the mic/aux 2 is what's it called? I've set up this thing where, what's it even called? I have set up virtual cable, so Discords and Skype go into this one. So like if you hear other people's voice, they usually go into this one, so I can mute others, and I can mute myself, which is obviously this one. So yeah, but those I can mute myself in Discord, open Discord, gaming, channel, tech, channel, notes, and then these are my different scenes. So like top right, top left, bottom right, bottom left for the little logo, and then to open OBS, and then lastly streaming, I will start stream, mute myself, mute others, mute game, mute Discord, gaming, Twitch, Discord, OBS, top right, top left, bottom right, bottom left, and notes. So yeah, you can do a lot with the Stream Deck. Like you can't do, like, there's not a lot of things you can't do with it, but yeah, it's actually pretty cool, and it's like got like pretty good build quality and lots of height adjustments, and you can have like folders inside of folders inside of folders, because they had an update a while ago with it, like you have like almost unlimited folders, which is pretty crazy. So right now I've got 3, like I could have a folder in this and folder in that, but yeah, it's pretty cool. Overall, the Elgato Stream Deck, it's a bit pricey, but if you're a streamer, like heaps of streamers actually use this. But anyways, if you guys did enjoy, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. There's a link to Elgato, the Elgato Stream Deck down below in the description. And yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.